Man, oh man, it is a great day to go fishing, and I'm doing exactly that. I got the camera on my head so I wouldn't forget it this time. I'm going back to that little private pond that I like to fish before I pick up Isaiah. I went out there last time, I didn't have my camera, and I caught like 10 or 15 fish, so I wanted to bring you guys along with me so you guys can see it all in action. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hit this pond. I decided to go sleeveless so my upper arms can get a little bit of tan. Like, look, dark, light, dark, light. All right, y'all, I made it out here to the prison pond. I think I'm gonna take 2 rods down there. I normally take 1. I'm gonna take the rod that I have my inline spinner tied on, but I think I'm gonna take a topwater rod down there too. Something's telling me they might be biting on topwater today, so I want to go ahead and find out if they are. So I think I might tie on a whopper plopper or something and chuck that around for a little bit. All right, so it was not as windy as it is out here back home. I still tied on the top water. I just don't know if I'm going to catch anything with it being so windy today. I think the inline spinner is going to do wonderful though. All right, let's get to it. Even though I'm not that confident in it working today, I'm going to go ahead and throw top water first. I always feel good when I get them top water bites. Not time for dragonflies yet, I don't think. I don't see any out here. That's when I really bring out the black buzzbait and really tear them up. All right, y'all, no bites on the whopper plopper in this corner. Went ahead and pulled out the old Panther Martin. See if we can get bit on that. Like I was saying at the beginning of the video, the last time I came out here, it was very similar weather, although it wasn't as windy. But I caught like 10 or 15 fish. I really didn't count, and I lost count. But it was a good day. Of course, I didn't bring y'all with me. I didn't have any luck in this corner. When I first started fishing here, I could stand in this corner, you know, catch about 4 or 5 to get the day started. But here lately, it seems like things have been shifting more to that corner and along that wall and about halfway over there. Let's go ahead and make a move. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Well, here's one. I know, I'm gonna help you out, buddy. Ow. I'm not sure where he came from, but thanks for stopping by there, buddy. Really appreciate that. because now you know kick the skunk out of the bank. I'm glad he did come along, because it definitely, like I said, kicked the skunk off the bank. But I wish he bit further out. Like, I wanted to be able to enjoy a little bit of a fight. Like, he literally bit me right here at the edge of this grass line here. Sometimes that's the way the cookie crumbles, though. Dang, another one. I think the spinner is going to be where it's at, y'all. I know. Should I get you to stop spinning? I don't want a trouble hooking me. I'm sorry that you got a trouble hooking you. There. Oh no, you're bleeding. Get back in the water. Alright. It's something about that wall over there. That's where I cast it at. But I don't know if they chase it all the way over here or what. But I can't get my cast over there because the wind keeps making my bait do a nosedive. I mean, I can say I'm happy that they are biting like somewhat aggressively. I'm not even having to set the hook. Well, then again, you really don't, I feel like you don't have to really set the hook on a treble hook. Alright, I think I done caught all the fish that I'm gonna catch in this corner today. It's about time I should make a move, I think. Alright, I'm going to start with the whopper plopper here first, since I caught most of my fish on the inline spinner. Go ahead and give this whopper plopper a chance. Oh yeah, this might garner a fish right here for us, y'all. Oh, something swiped at it. He missed it. There, he came back for it. Ooh, that's a nice size for here. He was hooked in the mouth, but now he's hooked in the underbelly. I mean, under his mouth there. Oh, you're upset. You won't open your mouth. I'm trying to think of the best way. Huh? He got off. Oh man, he got me with the treble hook, which was I was trying to avoid that. I am not trying to stop fishing and go to the hospital or nothing to be getting a hook out of my arm. But he set himself free. That was the biggest one of the day off the whopper plopper. So my theory actually might be wrong today. I didn't think I was going to really catch anything off of the whopper plopper, but he came and hammered it. GoPro, start recording. There was one fish laying in wait for the spinner. Might have been the one fish that wanted that whopper plopper. And all the others want this inline spinner. But again, that was kind of somewhat close to the grass. I got grass in my chute, my crock. And he feel like that was an ambusher from the grass. GoPro, start recording. Got a little bit of a fighter here, y'all. Just a little bit of a fighter. Look at how red his lips are. I wonder if he's munching on crawfish or something. They're all about the same size today. Almost like I'm catching the same fish or something. Ah, he missed it. He was swimming behind it. I saw the dark blob right behind it. I'm going back in that corner with this as soon as I get that untangled from there. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Yeah. I don't know where he went. GoPro, start recording. Something thumped me real nice in there. It was probably a bluegill. Yeah, I don't mind catching them either, because the bluegill in here are like massive compared to like some of the other spots I fish. Oh. Whatever it is, it wants it. We're gonna keep going after it. If I can get some accurate casts on this side, I think I can have a lot of fun. The wind's blowing everything over here. While the wind's not blowing. Holy cow, look at the size of that alligator snapping turtle. GoPro, start recording. Dang, I thought that was a log at first. That was a turtle. Whoo! Man, I wouldn't know what to do with myself if I got that joker on the line. Well, I know what I would do, like, goodbye lure, because that joker can have it. He purchased that off of me for free. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Dang, I had to yell at my GoPro over the wind just now to get it to start recording. He was barely hooked. Little dukester. There you go. Oh, here comes the train. Thought somebody was clickety clacking down the highway. Ooh, wow. Nah, dog, this is the biggest one of the day right here. Get a picture with you. Wipe all the fish slime on my shirt before I get it on my phone. Out here taking advantage of this beautiful day in the great outdoors. This is probably one of 10. I've lost count. But he's about to go back in the water. I'm about to go back after his mama and daddy. GoPro, start recording. Yeah. GoPro, start recording. I've never really caught a fish out of the middle before. I'm really surprised I got this. The bigger fish are hanging out in the middle today. He hit it good. Oh. You're going to be the thumbnail guy. I don't think I got a good thumbnail. Photo. Golly, that was a swimmer right there, dog. He bolted as soon as he hit the water. Well, y'all, it's time to hit the trail. Don't caught me a handful of fish and scared something over here in the reeds. Pretty good day. Pretty good day. And it wasn't hot to begin with, but this cloud cover made it like the perfect temperature for me. I'm a sleep with 2 fans on in the winter kind of guy, so I like it when the wind has a little bit of a bite to it. But I can't complain about today. I mean, other than the wind, I really couldn't fish that far side as good as I wanted to, but still caught plenty of fish between here and there. Great day, great day. Now I'm about to climb this mountainside and make my way back home. Man, I always have a blast fishing out there. I decided to end my video in my open air studio. As you can see, it is done. The floors are stained. I got my furniture out here. This is a fire pit table. I'm going to have lighting out here and all that good stuff. We'll be going live once a week. Speaking of going live, I have a poll going on. It's 2 options left. It's been narrowed down. It's either Friday at 8 p.m. or Saturday at 10 p.m. Go ahead over to the community tab and cast your vote. And beginning May 3rd or May 4th, that's Friday or Saturday, the first weekend in May, is when I'll start doing my live. I'll probably start doing live for like 30 minutes, and then I'll maybe bump it up to an hour if you guys really like it. We'll probably just get on there and just BS around the whole time, talk a little bit of fishing. You guys can ask me questions. We can just, I can respond to y'all in the chat. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So I want to thank y'all very much for watching this episode of Big Fella Outdoors. Be sure to tune into the next episode. You can catch me outside doing what I love most. Get my dose of the great outdoors. Be sure to get y'all's too. Man, I always have a blast fishing out there. I decided to end my video in my open air studio. As you can see, it is done. The floors are stained. I got my furniture out here. This is a fire pit table. I'm going to have lighting out here and all that good stuff. We'll be going live once a week. Speaking of going live, I have a poll going on. It's 2 options left. It's been narrowed down. It's either Friday at 8 p.m. or Saturday at 10 p.m. Go ahead over to the community tab and cast your vote. And beginning May 3rd or May 4th, that's Friday or Saturday, the first weekend in May, is when I'll start doing my live. I'll probably start doing live for like 30 minutes, and then I'll maybe bump it up to an hour if you guys really like it. We'll probably just get on there and just BS around the whole time, talk a little bit of fishing. You guys can ask me questions. We can just, I can respond to y'all in the chat. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. So I want to thank y'all very much for watching this episode of Big Fella Outdoors. Be sure to tune into the next episode. You can catch me outside doing what I love most. Get my dose of the great outdoors. Be sure to get y'all's too.